this boot camp wouldn't be possible. You have seen, I come, I teach, and I go. Everything else is being handled by people who have been here for almost 24 hours. The staff has been here taking care of this place, so this boot camp definitely wouldn't have been possible without a lot of people. I already thanked Apur sir, Ravi, thank you sir, Sparsh sir, Jiaji sir for being here. I have to start by thanking Jagriti ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing everything that you do. She manages 10,000 things in one day. So, ma'am, thank you for being you. Thank you, Kunal, for being you. And again, handling 1 lakh things in a day. If ma'am manages 10,000, he manages 1 lakh. So, thank you so much. We said a lot about Ravi, contributing in the building of this place. Ravi has done a fraction of what Mamaji has done for all of us and for this place. So, thank you, Ritesh sir, for being here throughout. And he lives 2 hours away from this place. He stays here sometimes till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. He's talking on the phone with Ravi, but he is here, right? So, he has worked so hard. Thank you so much, sir, for everything that you have done. And from the very beginning, when the place was constructed, Chacha ji, हमने सब adopt कर लिया Apur sir के relatives. So they are our Mama ji and Chacha ji also. So thank you so much, sir, for all the help. I have to start by thanking Ashish, who has literally been here, and all of you know Ashish. आप आइए please. You need to come here. Everybody please stand up and give him a So he sacrificed. Thank you so much. Sit. Thank you very much. So he has literally sacrificed his family. He has not gone home for so many days for all of us. So thank you very much for everything. I hope आपको थोड़ा सा break मिल जाएगा. इसका cause भी मैं ही हूँ. So hopefully you will get a break now. A big thank you to the entire team, everybody who has done it. Please let's call all of them. So everybody please come. Mama ji, you should come first. I think you should say something. Come on the stage. So Sakshi, so all of the staff that you're seeing, are all the people behind the scenes, and you would have heard their names on Telegram. So thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, really, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Congratulations to all. कहते हैं कि इसलिए भी रातों को घर से निकल आता हूँ मैं, इसलिए भी रातों को घर से निकल आता हूँ मैं, कि सर्दियों के चांद को एहसास करना ही हो। वैसे अभी रात नहीं है, दोपहर है, बस कुछ शेर तो बोलना ही था।